Welcome back to my channel. A few days ago I saw this poor joystick. Somebody was selling it on eBay with a bent stick, so I grabbed it. As you can see, it's in pretty poor shape, so I'm going to try to fix it. Overall, the rest of the plastics looks fine, so let's see what happens. First of all, let's test it. Well, so far it's working. Let's see the buttons. Yep. This is not working. Oh, it is! Well, sometimes. Oh, bummer. Now both stop working. Well, at least the pots are working perfectly. Let's open it up. The feet are a little bit worn out, so I'm gonna replace them all anyway. The Apple Joystick only have 2 screws, quicker to open. There's 2 very small springs over here. You gotta be very careful when removing them. Don't lose them. You gotta disassemble everything to reach the stick. Lots of screws. I always put them in a little vase so I don't lose them. Here it is. Let's see what we can do to save them. I'm gonna cover the plastic to protect it. Well, I pulled it and the plastic came out, so better yet. Almost there. I'm gonna use the drill to straighten it up and finishing cleaning it up. I found out that there was a crack in the plastic, so I'm gonna have to fix that. Well, some super glue and a few hours on the bench and it will be fixed. Let's try to fix the switches. I may not have to replace them. As you can see, my technique is pretty simple. Just put some deoxit on it and click like there's no tomorrow. Same thing with the potentiometers. Just move them until they get enough deoxit. Now I'm just going to click all the gunk in the internal plastics. Guess what's next? Oh yeah, retrobrite, baby. Good news, my clicking technique works. Now also the pods have perfect signal and no jumping. Excellent. As you may have guessed by now, I love joysticks. So when I clean them, I really make sure that every little crevice is really clean. Every joystick I own, I always try to have it as good as when it came out of the production line. I hope you liked this episode. Thank you very much for watching, and please remember to subscribe. Also, don't forget to comment and share with your friends. We're trying to build a community here, so please subscribe, like and support the retro computing channels. Thank you and see you next time.